I heard you. Shut the fuck up.
Would you accept someone throwing rocks at your house? We will get back to this later. Decatur, Alabama. They're now coming in groups to check car doors around the neighborhood. Another example of why you should lock your doors, seriously. This woman was caught on camera standing silently in the yard, giving off a really unsettling vibe. Peoria, Illinois. Luckily, the door was locked and this guy couldn't get inside. Reno, Nevada. This random grandpa walked onto the porch with his dog for absolutely no reason. Here is a thief running away from the police caught on camera. Florence, Alabama. Someone was lurking near the garage, acting suspiciously before walking away. Morgantown, West Virginia. This random guy decided to just sit down and hang out on someone else's porch. Helena, Montana. This guy walked onto the porch and stole a couple of plants before leaving. Great Falls, Montana, another car door checker. Gulfport, Mississippi, yet another reason why you should always keep your doors locked. Bangor, Maine. Suspicious guy showed up knocking on the door, asking to use the phone. Salinas, California. This crazy man was caught throwing rocks through people's windows. What would you do if this happened to you? Binghamton, New York. Caught on camera stealing a backpack that contained every vehicle title. Definitely not something you'd want to lose. Houma, Louisiana. After stealing a bike once, this thief actually returned to the scene. Tyler, Texas. Watch how these guys break into a tiny house, steal a few things, and leave behind a huge mess. Glens Falls, New York. Two men broke into this garage and stole several $1,000s worth of tools and equipment. Gallup, New Mexico. A trespasser quickly cutting through the backyard before disappearing. Ponca City, Oklahoma. Here we see a woman caught on camera stealing a bike that clearly wasn't hers. Fayetteville, Arkansas. This woman walked through this private yard like it was a shortcut to her house. Honestly, when will people finally stop doing this? Bloomington, Indiana. This young man was caught breaking car windows and stealing whatever he could grab. Duluth, Minnesota. This woman looked clearly under the influence and tried to break into the house.
Please leave the property immediately. You are being monitored.
Charleston, South Carolina. These men were caught on camera vandalizing someone's property for no reason at all. It's honestly insane how little people respect others' things. Amarillo, Texas. He wandered through someone else's yard without a second thought. Olympia, Washington. Random person showed up at the door, waited for a bit, then walked away. Trenton, New Jersey. Encounters like this are the perfect example of why staying alert and keeping your doors locked at all times is so important. Santa Barbara, California. Here we see another guy checking doors and grabbing whatever he can find. Huntsville, Alabama. Encounters like this show why it's important to stay alert and have cameras running when you're away. Scranton, Pennsylvania. No idea what this guy was up to tonight, but he ended up throwing up in someone's yard. Elkhart, Indiana. This man spent time walking around the area acting suspicious, with no real reason to be there at all. Pueblo, Colorado. He walked right up and pulled on the door handle like he belonged there. Athens, Georgia. This guy walked through someone else's backyard carrying a few things in his arms. Rapid Valley, South Dakota. This man thought it was a good idea to steal cables in the middle of the night. Springfield, Illinois. Stay cautious. More and more people are being caught checking car doors lately. Valdosta, Georgia. This woman tried to be sneaky but got caught stealing a package. Pittsfield, Massachusetts. This man and woman rode around on bikes, scoping out driveways to steal more bikes. Yuma, Arizona. This man casually walked through the area checking car doors and trying to steal whatever he could. It's honestly not normal how common this has become. Lafayette, Indiana. He crouched behind a car for a while before wandering through the neighborhood. Just a weird guy trying to get in the backyard. Walla Walla, Washington. No idea what this guy was running from, but it definitely didn't look good.
Where'd you run to?
Wheeling, West Virginia. A strange man was seen in the alley checking vehicle trunks and fence gates. Jonesboro, Arkansas. Keep an eye on your cars. People are going around checking if they're unlocked. Apple Valley, Minnesota. Luckily, the car was locked and this guy couldn't get the doors open. Rockford, Illinois. This guy looked like he was just doing a slow and awkward ding-dong ditch. Muncie, Indiana. He walked up to the car and started tampering with the gas tank for no reason. Casper, Wyoming. She was terrified the moment she heard the doorbell ring. Joplin, Missouri. Always stay alert for people wandering around trying to break into homes.
Excuse me, can I help you? Hello? Hello? Can I help you?
Oh, sorry, I got the wrong house. I got the wrong place. I'm leaving.
Okay, please leave. Yes, thank you.
I didn't know anybody lived here. I'm sorry. I pretty much apologize.
Yeah, no, definitely live here, and it's pretty obvious, so please leave.
Okay, I will.
Springfield, Ohio. This person tried entering the backyard in the afternoon. Eau Claire, Wisconsin. She went from house to house checking under mats, hoping to find spare keys. Bay City, Michigan. This woman casually walked up and stole milk off the porch. Honestly, that's a new one. Lima, Ohio. The second he saw the camera, he hid his face and tried to act casual. North Platte, Nebraska. Just watch.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Grand Forks, North Dakota. Two new guys were caught on camera checking car doors again late at night. Brookings, South Dakota. She rang the doorbell and stayed there silently for a while before
We can't
leaving.
answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Cody, Wyoming. Teens were trespassing and checking vehicle doors around 3 a.m. Logan, Utah. I have no words for this, just lock your doors. Greenville, Mississippi. Roaming the property in the middle of the night with no purpose at all.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Another car door checker. Natchez, Mississippi. Attempted break-in caught on camera, but luckily he couldn't get through the door. Palm Springs, California. This guy tried to remove the Ring camera and break into the apartment right after. Hollister, California. I have no idea what he was trying to do. Clovis, New Mexico. This guy even put his car in reverse just to check the doors of a random parked car. Oxnard, California. Here you see why you should always lock your doors. Redding, California. This is exactly why leaving your car unlocked is never a good idea. Norman, Oklahoma. She went house to house unscrewing and taking porch lights like it was nothing. Bartlesville, Oklahoma. This guy was caught on camera stealing a 100-foot extension cord. Natchitoches, Louisiana. This guy wore a vest to look official, but ended up stealing multiple packages. Barstow, California. This guy tried getting into the backyard but couldn't find a way in. Dothan, Alabama. He trailed behind the delivery truck just to snatch the milk as soon as it was dropped off. This masked guy was walking on the driveway while he was holding something in his hand. Opelika, California. This creepy guy tried getting inside, but luckily couldn't make it through the door.
Corey, I heard you. Shut the fuck up. I really just want my phone back. I'm back.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I'll fucking bet.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I don't give a fuck. You have the location of my phone. I can show you.
Hobbs, New Mexico. Yet another person walking around testing car handles at night.